Again, there are problems with this code, but that's not the point here. The point here is to show these two while loops and two different cases where we can use while loops to make our programs a lot nicer to use, and in fact actually make writing certain programs possible. So let's run through this real fast. We have three variable declarations at the top. A Boolean specifying whether or not we have entered our money yet, which defaults to false. We have a decimal, which contains how much money we have, which defaults to 0. And then we have another variable which we use later down in our program called menu selection, which is just an integer. We then enter our first while loop. Our first while loop says, while we have not entered money. So while has entered money equals false. So see how if you kind of read it out loud, it starts to sort of kind of sound like English. While has entered money is equal to false can be basically reworded to while we do not have money entered. We ask the user to enter their money. We then perform a decimal.tryparse, which again, the only difference between what we've seen before and this code here is that I finally did place my console read line right into the tryparse.